Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Matt. If it's too good to be true, then it's probably not true. So that's my experience in my recent order at Lazada. I ordered a Sandisk Extreme Pro SD card, which I'll be using for my Fujifilm X-T3 for images and videos. So I wanted a fast and reliable SD card. Now, as advertised, the Extreme Pro has a speed of about 95 megabytes per second. So, mabilis yun. Very useful for images and video. But actually, medyo it's a sort of experimental also from my end. I knew right from the start because of its price. What will you expect for 500 pesos SD card with 512 gigabyte capacity? So dun pa lang, I knew right from the start that it was a not genuine item, but still sort of experimental. Medyo I needed the confirmation if what will what will happen, or what's the item really look like. So I ordered it. It's actually exactly 587 pesos as advertised in Lazada, plus 50 pesos delivery charge. So it's about around 620 pesos. So the shipping took about 8 days, so it was relatively fast. Now I received the item like this. So right from the start, when I received the package, medyo nagduda na ako, no? Kasi it was not similar to my previous order, which was packaged like this. So supposedly it should be like this, Sandisk Extreme Pro 95 Mbps, although the one that I ordered has 512 capacity. So when I open it up, it has a free cell phone stand. So it's a cheap one from China, this one, and it has no packaging. It appeared like this. The SD card was flimsy. Okay, and the item itself looks like this. The right Protec is color yellow. The labeling is kind of bright. And when I first tested it in my Fujifilm X-T3, I was able to format it. That's a good thing. When I tried to take pictures, when reading, it's kind of slow. But when I tried recording video, it was slow. And then when I'm playing the video, it says read error. And I've tried to format it several times in my Fujifilm X-T3 and in my PC, and still it's saying read error when playing the video. And I tried and tested this in my PC. The transfer rate is about just 17 megabytes per second, so it's relatively slow. This one, it's fast. It's 128 gigabyte. The transfer rate using my card reader is about 30 megabytes per second. Compared to this one, it's just 17. So I think that's about it on my short video. Again, take note of the saying: if it's too good to be true, then it's really probably not true. So this happens to me in my order in Lazada. Although again, right from the start, you would have a hint if the item is fake or not. Just be wary if the price doesn't appear to be right, then it's probably not a genuine product. So again, it's me again, Matt. Don't forget to subscribe and write down your Lazada experiences on the comment section below. Thank you.